Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Eman. Today I'm going to be doing this classic glam makeup for you. I haven't done a glam makeup look like this in a while with this like beautiful bright lip. But don't worry, I'm also doing a full lip swatch for you guys in this video. So I'm going to be swatching a bunch of different lip colors. So basically you can wear this makeup look, which is super neutral, and then just switch up the lip to whatever you want to make this look your own. Before we get into this makeup, I want to give a big shout out to my sponsor today, Buxom Cosmetics, for sponsoring this video. And now let's get into this classic glam makeup. For primer today, I'm using the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Primer, and I'm just using this all over my face. For foundation, I'm using the Oma Beauty Say What Weightless Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation in the shade Honey Honey. I really like this foundation because it gives really good full coverage. So if you want just like super flawless, totally won't see any imperfections type of look, this is a good foundation for that. For contour, I'm using the NYX Sculpt and Highlight Face Duo. I haven't done a cream contour in a while, but since it's been a minute since I've done cream contour, I thought I would do it today just to see if I still like it. I'm just gonna contour around my cheekbones, my temple, and I always contour my nose. I took a break from cream contour for a while because I felt like it was making my face just look a little bit too harsh or like a little bit too angled, and I wanted my face just to look fuller. But I'm gonna try it again and kind of get back into it and see if I actually maybe can do it in a different way. So it's kind of like a happy medium. I think just blending the contour really well into my skin with a beauty blender will definitely help with that. For concealer, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer. I haven't used this one in a while either. Sometimes just when I test out so many products, I forget about old ones. So I'm bringing out some of the older products. When I have a lot of product on my beauty blender, I like to use it to blend a little bit of highlight on my forehead and on my chin. I like the contour, you guys. I think the key for me is that I just don't like looking unnatural. So after I blended it all out with my brush, I went back in and I blended it with my beauty blender just to like really sink it into my skin, and I like it. I like it. I think I might be back on cream contour. Okay, I'm gonna set everything with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. The shade that I'm using is number 130. I'm going in with the Buxom Hot Escapes bronzer in the shade Maldives. This is one of my favorite bronzers. I'm using this more for just giving a bronzy glow on my skin rather than using it as a contour because I already did the cream contour, so I'm just gonna stick with that. This is more just for an all over bronze. This color looks so pretty on the skin. I love it, and has just like the slightest bit of sheen to it, so it gives your skin this really pretty subtle glow. For shadows, I'm going to be using this palette today from Buxom. This is the Boss Babe Betty palette. I love this palette because it has so many pretty matte and shimmery shades. So I'm starting off with this shade right here, Cashmere Craving, which is a soft nude, and I'm applying this all over my lid. And I like to take this up to my eyebrows as well because it makes my eyebrows look a little bit more defined. Next, I'm taking this shade right here. It's called Invite Only, and it's more of a soft medium brown. I'm using this on my lid and up to my crease and just really blending it out. I'm gonna go in with a slightly smaller brush this time and then dipping my brush in this color here called Work, but I don't want to do too much of this, just like a tiny little bit, and using that just mainly in my crease to deepen my crease a little bit. All right, using that same smaller brush, I'm going in with that same color Work. I'm going to sweep that along my lower lash line. This color is matte, so I want to give it a little bit more of a shimmer. So I'm going over that with the shimmery version of that color, which is right here, and it's called Boom. Make sure to tap off the excess product from your brush, you guys, so you don't get any fallout when you're doing this. I'm using the Oma Beauty Cleopatra Ink eyeliner to line my top lash line. I want this liner to be a little bit more dramatic because this is more of a glam look. So I'm making it a little bit thicker all the way across, and I'm keeping the wing a little bit thicker as well. For lashes today, I'm using the Eylure Times Nicole Guerrera lashes, and I also applied a ton of mascara on my lower lashes as well. I'm using my Catrice Lit Highlighter palette to add a pop of highlight in that inner corner. I want this highlight to be super bright and just really stand out because it's gonna give the eyes a lot of twinkle. Taking whatever is left over on my brush and just sweeping that underneath my brows for a little bit of a brow highlight. All right, guys, for the lips today, I'm going to be showing you the brand new lipsticks from Buxom. These are the Full Force Plumping lipsticks. You guys know I love all lip products from Buxom, and I love that so many of them are plumping. This is the first time I've ever used a plumping lipstick like this. So I'm going to swatch them for you guys to show you some of my favorite shades from the collection. These lipsticks have such a unique formula because they are so pigmented. They are saturated with color, so the color payoff is great, but they're also so creamy and so hydrating. They literally make your lips feel so conditioned when you wear them. I remember the first time I put it on, it felt like I had lip balm on. Like, that's how good they felt on my lips. A lot of times lipsticks will like dry your lips out, or just they're so uncomfortable to wear. These are not like that. These are so comfortable on. They have an oil blend that hydrate and cushion your lips, plus they have that little bit of lip plumping, so you're also getting plump, gorgeous, supple lips that are super conditioned as well. So it's pretty much everything you can ask for in a lipstick. The best thing about this makeup is that it's so neutral, so you can pretty much wear any lip color with this. They come in 16 different shades, from nudes to brights to darks, and the packaging is so pretty. They have this little kiss detail on them with the lips. So when I apply them, I like to start at the Cupid's bow by making an X. This really helps to shape and define the shape of your lips. Once I have that, then I fill in from corner to corner, and the teardrop shape on the bullet makes it so easy to be able to get that precise shape when you're applying the lipstick. This color, you guys, is definitely one of my favorite. It is the perfect nude. This is Goddess. It's so pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. If you're looking for like the prettiest nude that's gonna go with so many different looks, it's really flattering on the skin tone, because sometimes nudes can be not very flattering, and it's like the nicest color. So this is definitely one of my favorites. Normally when I do lip swatch videos, you guys, by this point I'm like dying and I don't want any more colors on my lips because they're so uncomfortable. But I have to say, these are literally like putting lip balm on. So this shade is so pretty. This is called Icon. This is that classic peach nude that JLo always wears. So if you want to do like a JLo look, which I really should do, I should do a JLo inspired look using that color, because this is the exact color she loves to wear. So when I was playing around with all the different colors, I came up with a really good combo, you guys. The first color that I'm using is Baller, which is this deeper, darker red, and I use that kind of to fill in as my base. And then in the center of my lip, I went in with this brighter, more orangey red, Powerhouse. These two together just made the prettiest color, and that was kind of what inspired this whole makeup look. I want to add a blush because I know that's really going to bring out the lip color and this whole look a lot better. So I'm going in with my Catrice Cheeky Blush Palette, and I'm using a mix of these two shades here, Shisha and Alexandria, which are both kind of like this beautiful pinky shade. And I want to add a ton of highlighter for this look. I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. I feel like the highlighter is going to be the last little finishing touch to complete this look. I love how this makeup turned out, you guys. If you want to see all the products that I used to create this look, make sure you check out the description box below. I'm going to include everything, including the brand new Buxom Full Force Plumping Lipstick. These lipsticks are now out and available. I'm going to link them for you guys below so you can check them out. I'm going to include all the shades that I swatched for you guys. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I have to say, guys, YouTube has been acting a little bit crazy lately, so make sure you turn on post notifications so you know for sure as soon as I post a video. And of course, don't forget to add me on Instagram at Eman if you haven't already. And one last quick reminder for you guys, I'm going to be in Toronto for a very special meet and greet this Friday, October 25th from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. at Shoppers Drugmart. in Liberty Village. If you want to come and say hi, I would love to meet you in person. All the info will be in the description box, so check that out as well. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this look, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye.